Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you the lemon crinkle cookies. It's hard to tell me. And before you say anything about my English, forget it. This is a cooking show. So I already get the dough ready. I left it in the fridge for 2 hours, and then now I show you how I prepare it. What I will do first, I like to add the sugar and mush it through, because then the taste will be better. You taste the lemon more if you do this with the lemon zest. Okay? My hand was clean, and usually I leave out the butter, but this time I want to make the video, so that's why I just put it in the micro for 10 seconds. So warm up the butter, because it's easier to work with that, but you can leave it on the counter an hour or half an hour until show you like this. You can see better a little bit. I am filming myself, so sometimes it's hard to make the close-up. So it's nice and good. Let me add a few drops of the coloring. This is yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. And you can see it's changing color. Lately, my friends and my neighbors like the crinkle cookies, and they give me the lemon, so it's this way I can make more for everybody. Okay, let me just take this off, mix it together well. I love the color. Okay, I will add 1 egg, whole egg. I whip that a little bit. You can sift your flour or you don't have to, but sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. This time I don't, because this is not that important in this cake. Or cookies, not cake, cookies. Okay, it's done. And then I can add half a teaspoon of baking powder. I have the little spoon. I can do it, and then I can mix that in a little bit. Okay, a little boo-boo. I can pour in the whole flour. Sorry, I have to mix it a little bit, and just mix it. I already know how this works because I made a lot, so I can already add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and maybe I need 1 more. As you can see, it's still thick, so I add 1 lemon juice tablespoon, and I'm mixing it again until I like the dough. You see, it's already easier to mix. This can be too hard, and can be too soft either. I can even add another, so basically 3.5 tablespoons of lemon juice I add. And the whole secret with this crinkle cookies, to me, as long as you leave it in the fridge like hour 2 or 3, it's easier when you form it, and baking won't go flat if you keep it in the fridge for as long as you can. Basically, I like it when it's like flatter than the other ones, but it's up to you. But the whole secret with this, leave it in the dough in the fridge for 1, 2, or 3 hours if you can. And that was it. Okay, as you can see, it's like this, and now I cover it and place it in the fridge, hopefully 2 hours. I have the dough out from the fridge. Let me take off the plastic, and I'm preparing my powder sugar. You can, I think this big tablespoon enough, and I add a little cornstarch to it. And let's make the preparing the dough. Lately I like to use the pre-cut parchment paper, and now I show you how I do it. Right now I just have to start with this. I take this much, what you can see, and I roll it. Roll it and dab it in the powdered sugar and lay it down. And another one, because I'm filming myself, I hope you can see this. It's just like you do it whatever you like, how big your little balls can be. Okay, I'll show you it like this. And usually I have to double my recipe because these cookies go so fast, and I almost can't even have one. I won't show you the whole thing. My hand is clean. Before you saying it, I don't use gloves. I like to feel. Okay? And you can feel it if your little ball could be smaller, then you just add a little more to it. And just dump it in. Lay it down. But this secret with this dough, you have to leave it in the fridge 1 or 2 hours or 3 hours overnight. Or if you want to save time, then you can just put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. But my problem is my freezer is full, so I cannot put it in. So that's why I'm doing this. It's a little messy with this powdered sugar, but it's worth it. It's delicious. Oh, my oven is on 350, and I will bake it 10-12 minutes. It's every baking is depend on your oven. This is big. I can cut a little. So oven on 350 and bake it in 10-12 minutes. If you have glove, use it. Because before getting in the oven, this is the finished Crinkle lemon cookies. I hope you make it, and it's delicious and very easy to make.